Stickers are one of the most fun ways to express yourself on WhatsApp. They let you add color, personality, and emotion to your chats beyond just text and emojis. In this video, I show you how to make your own stickers and use them in creative ways to spice up your conversations. So let's dive in. First up, what are stickers? Stickers are like colorful, expressive images or even short animations that you can send in chats. They add a playful touch and let you communicate more naturally and emotionally. You can use them to show how you really feel, whether it's laughter, excitement, love, or even frustration. Now let's see how to download sticker packs. Head into any chat, tap the emoji icon at the top, then the sticker icon. You'll see a collection of your downloaded sticker packs. To get more, tap the plus button. This opens up the WhatsApp store where you can browse and download official sticker packs created by WhatsApp and third-party packs made by other users. There are tons of options to choose from, so you're sure to find something that suits your style. Once you find a pack you like, just tap it to download and install it. Then you can send individual stickers from that pack in any chat. If you want to go beyond the sticker store, there are some great apps for creating your own custom stickers. For Android, there are options like Sticker Maker, Sticker.ly, or Wemoji, and on iOS, you can use similar apps to make your own sticker packs. These apps let you upload your own photos, remove their backgrounds, add text or drawings, and save them as stickers to share with friends. Once you create your pack, you can import it into WhatsApp and it will show up in your sticker collection ready to use. Now let's talk about animated stickers. WhatsApp also supports animated stickers, which add motion and extra fun to your chats. Like regular stickers, you can download animated packs from the sticker store or create your own using the same apps mentioned earlier. The Appboard stickers even lets you make simple animations yourself by drawing on multiple frames of movement. Animated stickers are a fantastic way to add some life and humor to your conversations. To organize your stickers, tap and hold on a sticker you like. This saves it as a favorite for quick access later. When you open the sticker collection, you'll see a Favorites tab showing your recently used and saved stickers. This is a handy way to keep track of the stickers you use the most. Next, let's explore some fun uses for stickers. If you're looking for a quick way to react without typing out a message, use a sticker. Want to wish someone a happy birthday or holiday? Create a personalized sticker with a festive message or inside joke. Include stickers in group chats to keep the conversation lively and fun. The possibilities are endless. Finally, if you have a sticker pack you really love and want to share with friends, you can export your pack from the Sticker Creator app and send it to someone else. They can then import it into their WhatsApp and use your custom creations too. There you have it. Now you know all the basics of using stickers on WhatsApp. They're a fantastic way to add color, emotion, and fun to your chats. So start creating your own packs and using stickers to express yourself. Your chats will be more expressive, lively, and personal than ever before. Give it a try and have fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.